Okay, I know what you are thinking. These little guys look strange. Maybe even a bit gross. But hang on. What if I told you they could turn your kitchen waste into money? Hey, welcome to Talk with Seth. Today we are diving into something unique, super useful and surprisingly low cost. Black soldier fly farming. It's a clever way to turn your everyday waste into high protein animal feed. And yes, even a small business. So let's jump in. So, what exactly is black soldier fly, or BSF fly for short? Well, don't worry, it's not like the annoying house fly we all hate. These ones don't bite, they don't buzz in your ears, and the most important thing is they don't spread disease. It's the larvae, also called maggots, that do the real work. They love eating things we throw away. Fruit peels, leftover pulps, vegetable scraps, and in return they grow fat, rich in protein and perfect for feeding chickens, fish and pigs. First step, build your BSF cage. You don't need fancy equipment, just mosquito netting, a wooden frame and a spot that is shady but still bright. This is where the adult fly lives, mates and lay their egg. Lest you attract the flies, just put out some smelly kitchen waste. Pap or overripe fruit works well, and place pieces of cardboard above the waste. Female flies will find crevices and lay their eggs. After a few days, boom, your eggs hatch. The baby larva now needs to eat. Load up your bin with fruit peels, veggie scraps or leftover pap. Just no pepper, salt or oil. In about 10 to 14 days, they are all grown up and ready to leave the bin. Literally, this is when you harvest them. Just collect, dry and feed them to your animals or sell them out. The leftover waste, that's fast, and trust me, it is gold for your crops. Now let's talk money. With just 20 to 30,000 naira, you can start small. One bin, a few scrap. Some small BSF farmers makes up to 50,000 naira a month by selling the larvae or cutting their animal feed costs. Of course, like anything, there are a few things to watch out for. Don't let your beans get soaked. Keep them covered. Don't overfeed the larvae, it smells and overheats. And keep everything clean and well ventilated. BSF farming isn't just about maggots, it's about solution. Reducing waste, producing affordable feed, and creating income. Even with your kitchen scraps and a small bin, you are already making a difference for your wallet, your environment, and your community. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel